Hello friends, in our today lessons we will try that if we do not know how we can calculate the means, then how R can help us. We do not know how to plot, then how then R can help you. So let's start. We see we will write question mark and then press mean, and then you can see in window 4 that R has given us commands for mean calculation. Here you can see that's mean and bracket started x, and here you can see mean x and trim. If you want to trim some value outliers, then you can say right trim na dot rm pause. So these are the arguments of every function. So here these have commands, and here are has explained for you that what is the meaning of x, what is the meaning of trim, and what is the meaning of n dot rm. As all commands are present here, so you can find the argument here, and then R also show you the example of all these parameters. And you can see that R has generated the data 0 to 10 and then 50, and here it's you can calculate the means x, and if you want to see the trim means, and we copy this and we can paste it here, and you can see that now you can see that R has calculated the mean x 8.75, and this is the mean and this is the trim mean 5.50 after removing the outlier. So you can find the any details about any functions here. If you want, do not know the plotting something, so you can see that R will show you the commands for plots. Now you can see that R has shows you the plot functions that plot x and y, and here is explain x is the your uh, independent variables and y is the your dependent variable. So you can write and or also show you can add a main sub x lab by libs and also say that. So here that's why you can find the plot functions, and you can calculate the any function and also, and or also help you to find the example. You can find the example of mean. You can see that the R has show you the example of. So here example, that's R has generated example for you, and same like that you can also find the example for plot. So now you can see that the R has show the example of plot, and you can see that R has generated plot for you, and you can see that also there's different plots, and all these are their command. So here you can find the plot uh, uh, plot commands, and also R show you the example of how they will be show you that plot. And similarly you can see the different plotting, and you can also find the example of bar plot. You can see that's R has generated you plot for bar plot. You can see that's different plots, and their commands and their plot are showing you. You can see that's how R is generating the commands for your graph, and also showing example of that. You can see that's different plot graph with their example. So that's it. Now you can also find the example of and example of box plot. You can see that R has generated the box plot, and also generated the commands, and also generated you the outlook of that graph. That's you can see that's R has generated other box plot, and that's why you can see that's a different box plot and their outputs are showing in that. So in this way you can generate and see the all codes of that and also show you the plot of that stuff. So our today lesson, in our today lesson, I summarize here that you can find the example of any function, example of any plot, or show you the coding of that example and also show that's plotting. So see, subscribe our channel for further videos. Keep in touch with us. Thank you.